not really going to worry us at all. One or two thunderstorms, incidentally, some quite vicious ones there over northern Italy. But back to this country, and I think all we're going to find overnight is that around with some of these western coasts and in the northern Isles, you might just get a little bit of drizzle from time to time, but well-broken cloud in central and eastern areas, and that means to say for a while, towards the end of the night, it will turn a little bit misty with the odd patch of fog, and at the same time the temperatures are going to bottom out around about sort of 10 to 13, so that shouldn't worry anybody at all. Now, the high pressure is still on the scene tomorrow, but beginning to pull back into the continent, so that low and those fronts creeping in from the west. And as we saw a while ago, the veil of cloud with us, making the sunshine fairly hazy. But the rain holding off, I think, for the most part, that is until late in the day, when it does begin to march into Ireland and eventually some western parts of Scotland as well. But for most of us, after that misty start, it should be dry, there'll be a good deal of sunshine. I think the best of the sunshine in eastern and southern areas, although even there, the sun turning a little bit hazy from time to time. But certainly the clouds thickening up in those northwestern areas. There might even be the odd spot of rain around in the sort of middle or afternoon period, but most of the rain holding off until the evening, when it's going to be feeding into Ireland and into that western part of Scotland. Quite a warm day in store for most of us tomorrow, especially central and eastern parts. The temperature as high as 24 or 25 degrees, a little bit cooler in the cloudier northwestern areas. Now, on Thursday we may well find in the southeast that it turns out to be a quite hot and sultry day with the odd thundery shower, but elsewhere we will find that band of rain continuing to march across, brighter showery weather following into the west, and by Friday I think we'll have all freshened up and we'll all have sunshine and showers, but the showers light and infrequent in the south.
And in fact, taking prizes for both the sunniest and the warmest place has been Jersey, down in the Channel Islands. Now, the satellite picture is still showing a lot of cloud. Most of this in the east is quite high and thin, but certainly out to the west it's showing up a lot darker, and that's why we've got some rain showing up on the rainfall radar out to the west of Ireland. Ahead of that, one or two showers breaking out, mainly close in through the Irish Sea, close to West Wales and up through Northern Ireland and Scotland as well. Well, they're well ahead of this weather front. That's going to bring in the main belt of rain overnight tonight. And by the end of the night, it should have pushed through Northern Ireland, still some rain there, rain into the west of Scotland and right the way down this far western side of England and Wales. Further east, the cloud will be much more broken, quite clear in many areas, in fact, but some coastal fog and mist, I think, and low cloud just drifting in on the light breezes in that particular area of the southeast and East Anglia. Temperatures in the south no lower than 15, no lower than 12 in the north, where the winds really will begin to pick up as that rain moves in. Now, that's going to move quite bodily across Scotland tomorrow. The brighter weather coming into Northern Ireland during the morning and through much of Scotland during the afternoon, though at the same time it'll be cloudy up again with the more rain into Northern Ireland by the evening. So then, over England and Wales, the rain starting off, well, fairly heavy in places, but turning to showers as it moves eastwards, though even one or two of these could be quite heavy and possibly thundery later in the day. Now, in the extreme east, East Anglia, parts of eastern England, it's really going to be hot and sultry. Lots of sunshine, but later on there could be one or two thunderstorms just triggered off. Not too many, though, fairly well scattered. They'll be set off by those high temperatures. 30 is 86 degrees, hot and sultry there, but much fresher after that rain's moved away from the west. Then looking ahead, well, bands of rain along with those weather fronts moving through in the next few days. Areas of brighter weather and then more rain, so it's remaining changeable really. Showers mainly in the north throughout, but a band of rain clearing through on Saturday.
On Sunday.